In this video, we are going to see different mockups that can be used for different products and businesses. Let's go! This is a UI and UX interface design for a tablet. It's perfect to show app development. A scroll concept mockup for mobile. You can show all your vertical content in one still image. Laptop mockup design, ready for any content. Hands holding cards, ready for a hotel. Billboard city building to show a vertical screen advertisement. Notebook mockup for stationery supplies. Social media mockup to use with any social mobile app. A concrete logo mockup from inside an office. Shop building mockup design, a little shop entrance. A window shop mockup with details on the glass. We hope all these mockups help you in your daily work. You can find many more mockups at freepik.com.